I just basically I have a very small accounting services company.
Mm-hmm.
So I have 3, 4 people helping me part-time
Mm-hmm.
manage the accounting work from my clients.
Mm-hmm.
So, I have too much emails from clients coming. I have to request information. It's too messy back and forth. So I want to use the CRM ClickUp to manage the work. So every month there's recurring work
Mm-hmm.
and the list of clients with their work and who needs the doer. Then after the doer finishes, the reviewer. After the reviewer finishes, I will review it.
Mm-hmm.
And I have SharePoint to store documents. I don't know if ClickUp shares or stores documents also, but we might run out of space. But I have SharePoint from my email, so I can, a way to share documents because it's too many documents every month from each client.
Yes.
And then the main thing is all the people that do my work,
Mm-hmm.
they write down what they complete and how much time they spent.
Mm-hmm.
So I know my billable time to the client. I can create a timesheet for them so
Mm-hmm.
they don't have to do a separate timesheet, you know.
Mm-hmm.
So that's the basic. I want to start with that basic because right now I have Excel spreadsheets and it's too much work for me as the owner to
Mm-hmm.
manage everything.
Mm-hmm.
Then once in a while, my client will email me and say, oh, they need to get a loan, do this, this, and this.
Mm-hmm.
So I will create the task and send it to the reviewer because he's the final one who worked on it and say, prepare this and send it to me, you
Mm-hmm.
know? So I have tasks like that.
Mm-hmm.
So I want to be able to look at some dashboard and know what is completed through what date.
Mm-hmm. Okay, got it.
And then, yeah, basically, I should be able to open the dashboard and see all my clients and what the final status is,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
or what the status is. Now, like say, bank reconciliation, that's a monthly recurring task. So every month that's a given. But to do that task, they need bank statements from the client.
Mm-hmm.
So there should be some trigger that, okay, bank statements are ready, go reconcile the bank accounts to the doer. And maybe there might be one person, an admin person that goes and gets the bank statements from the client, saves them, and then sends the doer an email saying the bank statements are ready, reconcile, do your month-end reconciliation.
Mm-hmm.
So that is the process. And then when I'm done my final review, I will say month end, January month end for client A is completed. Now we're working on February.
Mm-hmm. Okay, got.
January is done. So I don't have to go and look at anything, review anything, something like that.
Mm-hmm. Okay, Patel, I got your point. So, can you share Excel sheet and show me for reference to better understand your need?
What do you want me to share with you?
Like, can you show me your current Excel sheet for reference purpose? Like, I wanted to check out your current progress of your like.
Well, I don't actually don't have my Excel spreadsheet is just my list of clients. I don't have a progress spreadsheet besides asking the doer and the reviewer
Mhm,
what's been done.
mhm. Okay. By the way, can you share the data like your client database so I can set up in your ClickUp account?
So you want to see some kind of like my client list?
Yeah, if you prefer. Otherwise, I will add the dummy data.
You can do dummy data for now.
Mm-hmm.
What I can do is I can give you some dummy data, client A, B, and C,
Mm-hmm.
and 5 tasks for recurring task for those clients.
Mm-hmm.
You can even do just 2 clients or even just 1 client to show me the process.
Mm-hmm.
I can give you some dummy data
Mm-hmm.
and say, okay, um, so here, client ABC Construction Company, right?
Mm-hmm.
Um, Company, and then a recurring task is um, reconcile bank account, reconcile credit card accounts, and month end journal entries, non-recurring task is create WIP report for for Jan 2026 month end. Okay. So doer, okay, admin person is Priya to get client info. Doer is a B. And then reviewer is Mike, and Rupal is final approver.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, like that.
Straight up.
So
Status view. Okay. Mm-hmm.
like that.
Mm-hmm.
So how would you set this up?
Okay, got it, your point. So yeah,
Mhm.
I have understand your point. Like I can create a first of all a list in ClickUp, then create a properties and add properties value according to your accounting field. Then I can set up the documentation data. Even ClickUp allow us to set up the document, and I can
So actually, what I can share with you is my ClickUp account. I already started some of that. Let me show you that.
sure you can.
It, yeah, it needs to be updated. The client list and the task. But like I said, I haven't had a chance to develop it, or I don't even know what the full capabilities are. So but let me share this with you so you can have, to be fair, and you can have a better idea.
Mhm.
Um, so here, click up. So you can see my screen.
Yes.
Okay, I can give you mouse rights if you want to take a look.
Okay. Right now you have created just a list and add a few properties like basic.
So here, then within the list, I have the task.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah, definitely. Like already you have created a space. So in this space, I will create a new folder and add a list. Then I will add a task with properties, then set up the email automation setup, then documentation workflow.
But I wanted to ask you, I was told if the doer and receiver want to get automated emails and update their task that they are done, they need their own subscription or they will use my login.
Yeah, definitely. Like you will be admin, you just need to pay the subscription, and you can add a reviewer and other as a member. Then they don't need to like paid subscription. They will use your account in like in behind your account.
Okay, but will they be able to say I am done this task without having a subscription? They can log into ClickUp and say, I am done this task.
Yeah, like you don't need to share your login with him. Like you can invite him in this.
Right. So I gave them the free, I think ClickUp has that free subscription, the free one. So I've the free forever. So I set up the doers like that already.
Mm-hmm.
Um,
Uh,
or
can
here's
you click in the assign section button?
yeah, oops. I thought, see, I set up some, again, these are all change. I need to update this because I've been having this since 2, 3 years and I haven't been able to use it efficiently.
Mm-hmm.
So I need to, okay, sorry, what were you saying?
Okay, already you have added those people, so I just need to build the automation and set up assign task. So then they can get easily automation like get a email notification.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay. And then how can they, when they say they're done, how will how will they put in the time and everything? So let me go here. So my team, how do I go to my team here? So here, right? So someone put in start and they would put their end time and then it will tell me how long they worked on this task.
mhm. Here we need to add a new properties like time tracker. Then easily we can track our time.
Okay, and then I can per team member, I can see some calendar of what they worked on.
You can, if you wanna, you can use your calendar.
So here's the timesheet.
Yes.
Because here, so then this way they don't have to manually do an Excel timesheet. I want to be able to see their time here, what they did for this week or for the whole month, last month.
Mm-hmm.
So I want to be able to see that, download it, and then so my timesheet. See, I want to train them to make sure they enter their time and do all that stuff.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, in this timesheet, you can use a filter and you can see the this week time, last week, upcoming. You can handle it.
Mhm. Okay. Now, would you save all the documents in ClickUp or on my SharePoint?
We can save in ClickUp. When you click,
What's the what's the storage ability in ClickUp?
let me check out.
Okay. And then my other question is, um, so if I give Mike, if the doer is a B and I give a B company A, he can only see company A. He cannot see company B, C, and D, right?
It depend on like access. If you need him, if you provide him a full space access, then Doer can easily see everything. If you give him just only one list access, though, so then
Okay.
Doer will check review just one.
Okay. And if someone needs something or something is missing, they can send a message here. And the admin person, say Priya, she will go contact the client to get that information.
Yeah, definitely. You will get a
Okay.
notification like someone sent you message, so please check out.
Okay.
Yeah.
So knowing what you know now, what would be, how would you set this up? Tell me from A to Z. From beginning with Priya getting the documents from the client, and we're doing January month end.
Mm-hmm. Like once I will set up your this project, then I will send you SOPs document and record a Loom video, share with you, so then you can easily manage this system.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, what else what other things can you do that you mentioned here? You said if you can do reports, dashboards, billing requirements. What other additional things you ClickUp can do that would benefit me?
Mhm. Just a dashboard will be benefit for you.
Okay.
Yeah,
So what would be on the dashboard?
yeah, in the dashboard, I will show you the system status view, progress bar, and other things we can track. I will like set up the dashboard according to my expertise, and I will
Mm-hmm.
give you for review. And so once you review that, then you will share your feedback. So I will manage missing thing that you will need.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you need any other information from me to give me an estimate?
Right now, we have discussed everything. So whenever I will start working on your project, so during the process, I will share with you the progress. Then we can share ideas like how we can better this and other things.
Okay.
Yeah,
So you will send me an estimate of cost?
sure.
Okay.
Right
And
now.
then,
Mhm.
go ahead.
Okay, thank you. By the way, right now, according to our based on your project outline, so this project will take 6 to 7 hours, build everything like include list, task, properties, set up the email automation and documentation and set up the dashboard. So average I charge $25 per hour. So easily we can handle this whole system in $150 and 1 week timeline.
Okay.
Yeah.
Um, and then if we want to do additional work afterwards, you will bill me at $25 an hour.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, basic
Okay.
additional basic changes I will provide you free of cost, never charges. And if you think like on these like extra, then you can pay me.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So do you think this is good or like SharePoint? I don't know if you're familiar with SharePoint.
Yeah, I have not better knowledge about SharePoint. So,
Okay.
but I can like when in the ClickUp, when you click like a plus button, so you will see a document for document option. So here you can manage the document. Hope it will be work similar MS Word.
Here, this one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, here in this document, like you can add text format, videos, images, link, everything like you can put in the document.
Okay. Okay.
Yes. So,
Okay.
yeah,
Uh-huh. And then you said my staff doesn't need extra subscription. Whatever I have is good enough.
yeah, I think you don't need like add further things because you will add.
Yeah, uh-huh. Because I just have this one. The basic one,
Mhm.
unlimited. Yeah.
Okay, right now that's good and hope it will be work. So you can invite me in ClickUp, then I can go ahead and start working on
Okay.
your project.
How do I invite you?
Yeah, you need to click at the top right side.
Okay.
Here you will see just select profile
Mm-hmm.
and let me check. Even in the left bottom you will see invite option. In the left bottom where you can see like add people. Or-
Left bottom, add people. Or here, invite.
yes.
Okay. And what do I put here?
Let me share my email.
Okay. Okay. Um,
I have shared my email in this Zoom chat.
okay. Okay. Um,
Once I will set up your complete system, then we will conduct again Zoom call and I will share with you like I have done this and you will review it and you will share your question and I will answer them. Then we will move.
okay. Okay. So all the clients in here need to be updated. And the task need to be updated. So you want me to share the final client list and the task?
Yeah, if you wanted to share with me your client list, so I can adjust in set in ClickUp. So if you think your data is privacy, so then I will add the sample entries just for testing purpose. Once I will build your whole structure, then you add client data in yourself.
Okay, I see. I see.
Yeah.
Okay. 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 Let's do that. Or I can give you like two, three clients here that are still current and I can say build these three
Mm-hmm.
and then I'll give you the task for them. And you could the remaining you can just leave as is.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
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 So in Fever, I will tell you the three clients to leave and what to do and their recurring task.
Mhm. Okay, got it. You can invite me in ClickUp and I am sending you offer. Once you accept it, then I will start working right now.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, nice to
So
talk to
I
you.
will So I will not need to send you the recurring task, the non-recurring task, and so how would you do like bank reconciliation is every month? So would the task be bank reconciliation or would the task be bank reconciliation January, bank reconciliation February? Or you just put bank reconciliation and the task date automatically goes up by 1 month every month?
Like we can add client data in bank reconciliation, then we can use a filter. So you can check out like January bank reconciliation, Feb bank reconciliation, and each month you can track.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Let me send you. Okay. So I'm going to send you invite. I'm sending you three clients and their recurring and non-recurring task.
Sure, you can share with me on Fiverr.
Okay.
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 Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Nice to
Okay.
talk to
Bye.
you. Take care.
Okay.